Hi, my name is Faith Stahl, and I'm a forensic psychologist. I'm here today to talk to you about antisocial personality disorder. People with this disorder will show disregard for and violation of the rights of others. They typically cannot feel guilt or remorse, and as a side note, it occurs way more often in men than it does in women. Symptoms of this disorder reveal themselves in childhood. For example, you may find them to run away from home, lie, steal, hurt other people, and animals. They tend to be highly aggressive and reckless. As a result, they have difficulty holding down a job and fail to pay the bills. Another common symptom is law breaking, as well as an impairment in social functioning. For example, they can't form close relationships with others. They have trouble just reaching that level of intimacy. I'm sure you've heard the terms psychopath and sociopath before. Well, these people are more formally known to have antisocial personality disorder. Sociopaths are highly unstable and prone to emotional outbursts, such as fits of rage, yet it is still possible for them to form emotional attachments. Psychopaths, on the other hand, cannot feel any form of empathy and appear more normal when talking to others. They may seem to have a very charming personality. They are very good at manipulation and can learn over time to mimic other people's emotions.
Hey there. Are you all right?
This kid is streetwise, but clearly comfortable and easily accepted in the middle-class suburban home.
We can't diagnose anyone under the age of 18 as antisocial, so we are labeling this unsub a budding psychopath.
Came out of the bathroom, and the bus was gone.
A bus stopped out here?
Well, yeah, this woman was sick, and she said she needed some air.
Where's your mom, hon?
Well, we live in Omaha, but my mom's visiting my aunt in Chicago.
His interpersonal skills are through the roof.
Now, this manipulation is not just a ruse, it is a complex con.
I knew I shouldn't have gotten off.
Well, maybe I should just call your mom for you. Does she have a cell phone?
Yeah, it's... My phone's on the bus. I was supposed to memorize the numbers, but I never did. If I don't get off the bus in Chicago tomorrow morning, my mom will freak out.
Look for reports of missing children in and around the city of Omaha. This is where his killing spree originated.
And check juvenile detention centers and psychiatric programs for boys who've been recently released or escaped.
We believe he's crossed the state line into Iowa. His last victim was traveling northeast on Route 6.
How's a kid gotten 40-some miles all by himself?
They all give him rides and places to stay.
Well, you can't stay out here all alone. We'll go to the police. They can find your mom a lot faster than we can.
Really?
Yeah, come on.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
He appears extremely vulnerable. Being a child, alone, out on the road, that's not hard to do.
Before moving on, it is important to note that not all psychopaths are killers and not all killers are psychopaths. Causes of this disorder are not for sure known. However, it is believed that psychopaths are more likely a result of nature, genetics, or rather than nurture, the environment, with there possibly being an underdevelopment in part of the brain that is responsible for impulse control and emotions. Sociopaths are more likely the product of childhood trauma and physical and emotional abuse, which would be nurture. There is no cure for antisocial personality disorder, but in some cases, psychotherapy may be helpful. Medication is sometimes used, but it's only to relieve the disorder's side effects such as anxiety, depression, and aggression. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for listening.